I guess I was going to say, when I was listening to points of view and feedback into this, I was thinking, I don't think necessarily that any of the things that we're saying together are mutually exclusive. I don't think that, I don't think we're that far apart on things, but I think approach is different. And I think that I would like to know more about process that's been used by other districts, because I will be the first one to say, I have not done this before. I don't feel like I know the exact process that's correct, or that's even the best practice process. And I'd like to know more about that. I feel like, these numbers are different than the numbers we received at the last meeting. So already it feels like, okay, now where are we at with this? And I feel like the other piece that I don't have yet to really start to look at this and make some, I would say, both short-term and long-term decisions, because I don't think they're mutually exclusive, is the financial picture. And I don't know that I can say that we have to do one thing until I see that piece.
Mm-hmm.
I agree that to be financially responsible and do what's best for our district because of where we're at in our situation and all of those things, that utilizing our current capacity is our best route to go. I just don't know about process yet. And so I guess that would be my input into all this, is I don't think that we are so far apart in where we're at. I think approach is different, and I think that I would like, I know I would like more information on process, because I'm not quite here yet to know that we're going down the right direction. I'm getting a lot of feedback, negative feedback from community, from school personnel, from pieces like that I would like to know more about that. So I guess that's my feedback and all this. I don't think that we are that far apart. I think that we have some differences in opinion on how we're approaching it, but I think that we all agree that our best course of action is that utilize current capacity first, and while we're making a long-range plan. I don't know if I'm somehow oversimplifying, but that just seems like.
So you're not saying to step back and just.
I'd say we need more information before we start barreling ahead yet, because I think the financial is a big piece to talk about. Because, and also those extra numbers, and I know that that when we go farther out with numbers and projections, of course, the more likely they aren't as accurate. But when looking at numbers and the cost, I think we need more.
Okay.